among the 100 fields that connect any social innovation gap in society in order to have impact potential be realizable proportionate to social innovation theoretical impact potential.
Great, great. I imagine that's exactly what we are doing now, right? Connecting the, the bonds here of the knowledge across. And talking a little bit more about the how, Bobby, do you use specific tools, or do you think it's less about the tools, it's more about the discipline and about how do you keep people engaged to share the knowledge and to have meaningful impact? Because it's not just sharing knowledge, but to working together towards impact, right?
So the way to think about the tools is it's proportionate to the intra-disciplinary professional norms. So if we work with project managers and don't leverage the parts that are useful from existing project management process, then they get frustrated because we're too discontinuous. Now, we don't say that we want to use everything from the expectations of each of these traditions, because project management as a field should consider the interests of stakeholders and not just perception management of stakeholders, and we don't want to just reuse the fields and the tools. But where the tools from startup world can be reused, we often have adopted. We have day-to-day used Google Drive and Google Meet, and we've used Slack for 15,000 messages, for example, within our medicinal foods team. We've had about 30 Trello boards that we've used to coordinate on some other teams in terms of Kanban and wish lists. And we've, within the data science and machine learning team, we've had definitely a set of code on Bitbucket that we've used, and created some maps of reusable libraries from different parts of the open source community that are connectable to the project, and scrapers and spiders that can be reused for the sake of public health. This is our medicinal food citizen science to understand sleep, stress, and anxiety in terms of what foods and herbs can be beneficial for people to address that, and in what combinations, and with what chance of effectiveness, and how can we change the evidence base of medicinal foods to reach parity with the pharmaceutical world. So that's one set of tools that, in a context of a team, we use. I mean, we use a lot of Excel in the financial modeling. Our financial modeling collaboration, in the case of biophilia, have y'all heard the term biophilia?
No.
Uh,
Have you heard?
biophilia is